Having already covered my eyebrows using the glue stick method, I'm putting on a full coverage foundation that is a shade lighter than my own skin tone. I'm going in with a matte hot pink shadow and drawing vertical stripes across my eye. And then between the pink, I'm drawing orange stripes with a matte shadow, but of course you can choose any two colours that you like. Now I'm taking a brownish lip liner to sketch out the shape of my skull's eye sockets. If you feel around your eyes, you should be able to find where the bone is that creates your eye socket. I'm taking my black water activated face paint on a medium brush and filling in the shape around my eyes. With a matte black shadow, I'm pressing this over the black paint to set it in place, paying close attention to the areas that are prone to creasing, like all over the lids and underneath the eyes. Then I'm covering my waterline with a black pencil, making sure that no skin tone around my eyes is visible. And then I'm just applying some black mascara to my lashes so that they blend in with this look. I'm taking these face gems, which should be relatively easy to find in most beauty supply shops around Halloween, and I'm placing these two, which are supposed to go above the brows, but I'm placing them around the underside of each eye. And I'm placing this other one down the centre of my nose. Going back to the black paint, I'm painting on my skull nose. The best way that I can explain it is that I start by drawing a V shape down the middle, and then I work those points down and around the tip of my nose, and then I fill that shape in with the paint. Now I'm taking the matte hot pink shadow and pulling it out from the corners of my mouth in an extended smile shape. And then drawing vertical lines to mimic the appearance of teeth. Now going back to that black paint, this time on a thin detail brush, I'm basically repeating the same thing that I did with the pink shadow. Except this time, when I draw the line that pulls back from the corners of my mouth, I'm also going to draw a little looping section, which is where there would naturally be a hollow area between the jaw. And then I'm filling in the gaps by my jaw with the black paint, before then moving to outline my entire face with the paint. With a loose gold pigment, I'm pressing this onto any solid black area, like my eyes, nose and jawline areas for a pop of dimension. I'm using gold because it fits with my colour scheme, but you can use whatever colour you want. And this bit's completely optional, but here I'm just adding some small lines around my face as I see fit, because I like the slightly comic booky look it gives.